If you feel like planning content is just taking you way too long, let me show you what I've just accomplished in the last 30 minutes. The first and very, very, very most important thing is that I work with a VA. One task that my VA does is every Wednesday, she goes in and she creates like 7 to 10 new content ideas based on just things that she's seeing popping off on TikTok in my niche. She adds them to this little list here for me. And basically she goes through and creates a hook and also some notes and bullet points. And then what I go through and do is create all of the notes here that I want to actually say in the video or use as like a screenshot in the video. The cool thing about having all of these notes written down is that I can use them again as a screenshot to share information. I can read that as a video script. I can also use it in an Instagram carousel post. I have this down once and I can create so many different forms of content with it. For me to go through and create all of these videos, it will probably take me about 20 minutes because all I have to do is just record. The hard work is already done with the about 30 minutes that it took for me to write all of these kind of like captions.